August 12th could be a huge day for Google fans because the company is expected to reveal an entire new generation of Pixel hardware at Made by Google 2026. The Pixel 11 series is at the center of attention, but Google may have much more planned than just new phones. The event is scheduled for August 12th, with the live stream expected at 3 p.m. Pacific Time or 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Google will also host the event in New York, while viewers around the world can watch the presentation online. So, what exactly could Google reveal? The biggest announcement should be the Pixel 11 lineup. The standard Pixel 11 is expected to keep a familiar 6.3-inch display, but leaks suggest Google could make the bezels slightly thinner and give the camera bar a darker, all-black look. The biggest internal upgrade could be Google's next-generation Tensor G6 chip, reportedly built using a 2-nanometer process. A new MediaTek 5G modem is also rumored. Storage could finally start at 256 gigabytes instead of 128 gigabytes, while the battery may remain close to 5,000 milliampere hours. The camera setup could change too. Reports point to a 50-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, while the dedicated telephoto camera may disappear from the regular Pixel 11. Software could be another major part of the upgrade, with Android 17 and new Gemini AI features expected. There are even rumors of a feature called Pixel Glow, which could use lights on the back of the phone for notifications. Then comes the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL. These models are expected to use the same Tensor G6 platform, along with Google's Titan M3 security chip. The Pro could continue with a 6.3-inch display, while the Pro XL may offer a larger 6.8-inch screen. Upgrades could be more impressive here. Both Pro models are rumored to feature a 50-megapixel main camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 5 times optical zoom. A high-resolution 42-megapixel selfie camera is also expected. RAM could start at 12 gigabytes and go as high as 16 gigabytes, while 256 gigabytes may become the new starting storage option. Pricing, however, could be a concern. Rumors suggest the Pixel 11 Pro could start around $1,099, while the Pro XL could begin near $1,299 in the US. But the most interesting device might be the Pixel 11 Pro Fold. Google's next foldable is rumored to become thinner, potentially measuring around 10.1 millimeters when folded. It could keep a 6.4-inch cover display and an 8-inch internal screen. Inside, the Tensor G6, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and Titan M3 security chip could make this one of Google's most powerful devices. The triple camera system is also expected to include a main camera, ultra-wide camera, and 5 times telephoto lens. And then there's the Pixel Watch 5. The new smartwatch is expected to keep the familiar round design, with 41mm and 45mm sizes. Storage could double to 64 gigabytes, while larger batteries may improve endurance. Wear OS 7, deeper Fitbit features, and AI-powered fitness coaching could also be part of the package. Google may not stop there. A Pixel tag could finally challenge AirTag and SmartTag with Google's Find Hub network. There could also be more information about Google's intelligent eyewear, while its upcoming Android-powered laptops may get a preview. With phones, foldables, watches, trackers, AI, and possibly laptops all connected around one ecosystem, Made by Google 2026 could be much bigger than a normal Pixel launch. The biggest question is no longer just what Google will announce, it's which of these rumored upgrades will actually make the Pixel 11 generation worth buying. For more updates on Pixel 11, Samsung, Apple, and the latest smartphone leaks, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for the latest tech news.